Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are into cars and design like me, then you are going to love today's video. We are counting down the top 5 iconic car designs of the last decade. Vehicles that have pushed the limits and boundaries of design and innovation. Whether it's futuristic lines, groundbreaking aerodynamics, or pure elegance, these cars have it all. And let's dive right in. Starting us off at number 5 is the Tesla Model S. Launched in 2012, the Model S didn't just introduce an electric car that could rival gasoline powered ones, it also redefined what modern car design could look like. The Model S's design is sleek, minimalist, and futuristic. It's all about smooth aerodynamics and no large grip. No aggressive lines, just a clean flowing silhouette. Even the door handles are unique, popping out when touched, adding to the futuristic vibe. And then there's the interior. The massive 17-inch touchscreen took the industry by storm, creating an ultra minimalist dashboard that looks more like the future of tech than a car interior. The Model S changed how we think about both electric cars and luxury design. Next on our list is a car that pushes the envelope even further. Porsche's first fully electric vehicle, the Porsche Taycan, which debuted in 2019. The Taycan kept the classic Porsche DNA but with a modern twist. Its signature 4-point LED headlights and low wide stand screen sports cars, but the Taycan is all about merging tradition with electric innovation. Inside, it's a masterpiece of sustainable design with recycled materials and cutting edge tech, like the curved digital dashboard. This car proves that luxury and sustainability can coexist beautifully. At number 3, we have a legend reborn, the Ford GT. This 2016 supercar is a modern interpretation of the iconic GT40 that dominated Le Mans in 1960s. Everything about the Ford GT is performance driven, from the flying buttresses designed to improve airflow to the massive rear diffuser. And those butterfly doors? Pure supercar styling. It's not just about looks though. The GT's lightweight carbon fiber construction and aerodynamics innovation makes it one of the most technically advanced cars on the road. It's a design that marries both beauty and function in a truly iconic way. At number 2, we have one of the most jaw-dropping designs to ever hit the road, the Ferrari LaFerrari. Released in 2013, this hypercar was Ferrari's first hybrid, and it combined raw power with artful elegance. The LaFerrari looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie with its sharp angular lines, wide stands, and Formula One inspired aerodynamics. This car is all about precision. Its sleek silhouette hides the hybrid powertrain, making it not only beautiful but also one of the fastest cars Ferrari has ever built. With only 499 units produced, the LaFerrari is as rare as it is breathtaking. Its design is a perfect blend of speed, technology, and Ferrari's signature craftsmanship. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is Lamborghini Huracan, which launched in 2014. Lamborghini has always been known for pushing the limits of design, and the Huracan is no exception. The Huracan is iconic because it merges extreme angular lines with a level of refinement that takes Lamborghini design to new heights. From the Y-shaped headlights to the bold geometric intakes, every part of this car screams power, yet it's surprisingly sleek for a Lamborghini. Inside, it's pure luxury with cutting edge tech and materials that feel like they belong in a spaceship. With its aggressive stance and superior handling, the Huracan has been a symbol of both Lamborghini's wild spirit and their precision engineering. And there you have it. These are our picks for the top 5 iconic cars of the last decade, and each of these vehicles represents the cutting edge of automotive design, blending performance, aesthetics, and innovation in a way that pushes the industry forward. Did your favorite make the list? Or do you think we missed one? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.